I'm just go down in 1-1 and yay! Finally got my camcorder! Yay! Wicked! I'm enthusiastic. Right, just come. Just gotta open it up. Now, what happened was, I got this, I bought this camcorder about a week ago and then it stopped working before I was going to go on holiday. Don't know why, no reason. Ridiculous. And there we go. It's not the best camcorder in the world or a top range. I can't afford that. It's only a cheap model. So there we go. Look at that. The JVC GR-FXM42EK VHS compact camcorder. Right. Here we go. Scissors. Yeah, anyway, I had to take it back because the tape thing just wouldn't work and it just kept going into error mode. It was just so... Alright, let's do this thing. See what we got in the box here. What's that? Right, got the charger, lens cap, a few cables there, and power adapters and stuff. It's cool. So we've got guarantee there on papers. Alright. Oh, here we go. Camcorder. This is the bit. Oh, check out that. You can smell the plastic, how fresh it is from here. Beautiful. So look at that. Beautiful camcorder there. It's got a good 25 times zoom and 800 times digital zoom, which is pretty good. Yeah, as I said, look, it's not exactly the smallest compact camera in the world, look. It's bigger than my hand, look. Yeah. But you know, it's good for me, it'll work, so hopefully I'll see some movies from this soon. I'm Disco Daniel 11, I'll see you soon.